So alright guys, so welcome back. In this training I'll be talking about how to, in this video, how to search for Bangladesh manufacturers on Facebook. So you all know your Facebook, just click on your Facebook. That's my Facebook. Click on Facebook. Once you click on Facebook, go to your search button. That's a search button. Then click on Bangladesh. Type Bangladesh keyword. Bangladesh keyword. Bangladesh clothing manufacturer. Clothing manufacturer. Look at Bangladesh clothing manufacturer. Click on it. Boom, you see them. Direct supplier of Bangladesh. You see. So I will advise you to join groups. Go to groups. Boom, you see that. Go to private groups. Keep going. Look at this one, Bangladesh clothing. Look at it. So look at this one again, Bangladesh clothing supplier manufacturer. So you just keep joining all these groups. Join them. Look at Bangladesh made premium clothing made in Bangladesh. Can join. They will accept, they approve. Just keep joining. Then once they approve, you can now see their contact, chat them up, and boom, send your agent's number to them, or your agent's address to them. They deliver to agent. Your agent pays them. You pay to your agent. You don't pay to them. So you don't need to be scared of scammers. So I'll be dropping the agent's numbers, the ones tested and trusted, and also other suppliers contacts. So we're dropping them. Thank you for watching. Take care.